Bone Densitometry. Introduction. Is it true that only women get osteoporosis? Select yes or no. Correct. Osteoporosis mainly affects women, but men can get it too. Osteoporosis usually occurs during or after menopause in women. Select true or false. Correct. Since the hormone estrogen is important for preventing osteoporosis, women who have experienced menopause have a higher risk due to their lack of estrogen. Is bone densitometry painful? Select yes or no. Correct. Bone densitometry is not painful. Thank you for using Explain.